Hello guys, welcome today. Today it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, June the 18th, 2022, and we have one puzzle left. Because the first two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku, are solved 5 minutes ago, maybe longer. And it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 4725. 4725. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because it's a 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Yes, fast and furious. 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Then we are looking for the dual boxes. I see here dual box, there dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. I do not know in which order. Same for here, the 1 and 2. Let me mark those two boxes. The triple box. Do we have triple box here in this puzzle? Here, a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other digits, the 1, the 2, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember the box, the inside box or the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. So this box should be a 5. Alright. Triple box. Then the quadra box. I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Here we have also a quadra box. The 1 is already filled in, but those two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left on the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Do not know in which order. So I've marked those two boxes. Here another quadra box. Those numbers are the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape upside down. The T shape, let me draw this here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So that this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Let me see. Here. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay, 1 or a 2. But I see here a 1. So it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 2. One box left in this dual box for the number 1. Alright. Do we have more shapes? Let me see. The L shape. Okay, the L shape. Let me draw this here then. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's 2 or a 4. But we already have a 2 here. So it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. And it's connected with that box, should be also 4. One box left in this quarter box for the number 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are maximum 6. I believe the Z or the S construction or shape is not in this puzzle. Maximum are 6, but in this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 1. Can be a 1. Those 2 boxes surround a 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Let me see. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Okay. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3. And that box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there and a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box can be 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. We have a double 2 there, so these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, let me think. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. Those 2 boxes surround a 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Then let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 3. Then 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 1. Then let me see. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes, faster than 50 minutes. Told you, for a 1-star puzzle, Tectonic, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudokus, a.k.a. quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again, yes, tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.